I took one. I don't want
Dono. Nice. Look at Ryan here. Look at Ryan, look at Ryan. Surely.
You see one?
Nice. Bro, it's meta with Junker Queen, not fucking Ryan, bro.
I don't want to hear it. Fire strike.
Where's Ryan? And I'm 1 HP. Did both of our DPS die? That's crazy. We just lost all of our damage.
We kind of have Tracer Genji.
We don't have damage to begin with. It's true. Chill. I'm pushing. Okay.
Get shattered.
Oh, he's pushing me into the room. He definitely has shatter. You guys win that maybe?
Towards low. Towards one.
Orb is full HP. Oh, I blocked it.
Run, 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 run.
Big. Just go right, just go right. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. I need to start swagging. I am pushing card, by the way.
Okay.
Oh.
That fucking sucks.
Still pushing payload. I'm anti, but like doesn't really matter. So,
This goes one. There's a circle bar. What was that?
I'm going to grab Mega. Oh no, it's really sweet. I'm dead, yeah. Jesus fuck.
Oh shit, Dudo's running it down. Oh shit, he's at our spawn.
I'm dead.
Bro, we're on the most dive comp without any dive. I can't dive with them.
You just need to get creative.
Yeah, I guess so. Alright, fuck it. Let's get creative. The Ryan's on top. Probably shouldn't have dropped. That was a troll. Why did I drop? I don't know why I dropped. That was dumb. Oh! One was back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
No!
Kill him.
Can we just fuck this?
This ends now.
Fuck that. I'm good.
This is fucking like actually boring, bro. I'm playing into fucking Torb Soj.
Wait, dude. Tracer is carrying though. No.
I'm just getting fucking counterfeit.
Bro.
Nah, I'm swapping. I'm swapping. Fuck this shit, bro. Bro.
There's no way.
Yeah, this is fucking boring, bro. I'm taking so much more damage, man. This is actually so fucking boring.
Oh shit, he's back, dude. He shattered! I knew he was gonna shatter.
Try a shatter.
Bro just called me bad on Ryan and then did that shit.
Oh my.
Bro, why are you all the way back?
Bro, I'm making space though. Tracer.
On now.
Nice. Very winnable. See, I'll give my space. Oh. Oh. You got a touch? You got the touch?
I got it, I got it.
Dude!
Grab one.
Joy's off. Ryan left, Ryan left. Ryan is low, Ryan is low.
Noodles. Noodles.
Bro, I'm getting fucking the turret, bro. Like, I'm gonna fucking die from the turret, bro. The fucking turret, bro.
See what? Pull.
Slapping. Torp. He's gonna touch again. No, he didn't.
Oh. This is way too much.
Nah, bro. I couldn't play Ryan, bro. I was actually just getting fucking diff. But I mean, that's what I get for playing against someone that has fucking 3,000 hours on fucking Ryan.
How's your one? I don't want.
Dono. Nice. Look at Ryan here. Look at Ryan. Just trolling.
You see one?
Nice.
Damn. Dude, the noodle ball is cooking, bro.
Damn. I'm gonna go grab Mega.
Come back.
Coming back.
Surrender to my will.
Slamming supports.
Yeah, got it.
Probably. Look at Lucio. Look at Lucio in the back. No way that Lucio's gonna kill him there. He's pinning in. Watch the. They're down Lucio. We're down 2 though. I must have mines. You must shatter on me. Ow.
Pitiful.
I caught up to his kills in 2 minutes, bro. That's fucking crazy.
Score 2-0. Switching sides.
Dude, I can't hit a shatter with this freaking weapon skin, I swear. It's the weapon skin, guys. It's not me, it's the weapon skin.
3, 2, 1.
It's okay, I'll just play Doom.
Defend objective.
I am sleeping. Very bad.
Oh, well, lucky. You know, maybe we could like nade that or something. It's not.
Prepare yourself. Hello there.
Bro, yeah. It's the fucking like so much damage that they had, so Ryan was just no fun. Otherwise, I'd stay Ryan, man. They just had so much damage.
Excuses.
Bro, there is so much more. Look at their damage compared to ours.
Right.
Ryan's on point.
Hello there.
Lucio was 1. I'm dead though.
Ryan 1.
Get in there. Don't let them take the point. Dodge this.
Objective lost.
Now,
Stop the payload.
stall that payload, or else.
Oh my god, this is dead.
I'm dead too. I don't know where my heals are.
In hardship, we find strength. Hello.
I don't know, Dave.
No sleepy day.
Oh, I
I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
No way, I'm not dead. Look at the Lucio.
Dude, you're so lucky you have me, bro.
Meteor strike.
Where's my thank you, bro?
Bro, I think I said thank you like 3 times.
Hello there.
Well, thank you again. Thanks. Oh, they went Cass. Yeah, I'm gonna punch him up the stairs.
You're so low.
Greetings.
Greetings.
It went monkey.
He swapped? No way. Joystick off of the Rhine. Oh shit. I'm dead. Bro, I got slapped and tied sticky. What the fuck do you want me to do?
I got Lucio. Fucking Bozo. Okay, I'm cooking.
Hello.
Okay, bait him out of
Nice.
Legend.
I'm out.
Oh no.
No, you're dead.
I got that.
Nice, we got Chaser.
Wait, the chase is insane. Oh, we should back.
Stall that payload.
Can I get help? I need help. I'm dead.
What are you cooking?
Bro, I was in their spawn. I had to leave so fast. I had like 10 HP, bro.
Send your best. I'm ready.
Yeah, bro, I gotta have to touch it like 0. Okay. I'm cool. Like 5. You got a touch?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Adaptive circuits engaged. Tracer.
P1, P1.
Got her. Try me mega really quick. Stay on.
No, I can't stay on. No.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
This tracer actually chased me.
I will achieve my vision.
My throne
Oh, he's back
is
on
where
Ryan.
I
I'm
say
going Maga.
A gun in each hand.
They don't have Ana.
Smile on my
They have a soldier now. Oh, we just need to fucking shoot shit.
It's over.
Bro, we just need to shoot the fucking shield, bro. Like, actually.
Hey there.
Go ball.
I am.
I can touch.
Okay.
I touched. Dead.
I touched.
Winnable.
I don't know. Adapt's gonna die.
Down, I'm killing our crew.
Yes, he got him.
I'm dead. I have gone 10.
I'm like 1 HP. I need to get off.
Let's go. You're come.
No, I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. I needed to get off.
You guys
It's okay.
Dude, fuck this, man. The stall is just ridiculous. Like, you can't kill Wrecking Ball. It's fucked.
Holy shit.
Holy winnable. Do I say Lucio? Yeah, okay.
I don't know.
I don't know, bro.
Just say.
30 seconds.
That's right.
within my little
I need to build mines for last strike.
Don't enter it though.
No, I'm fine. This is just chasing me, but I'm fine. Soldier's low. Nice! I moved him into it. I got pinned off, but it's okay. I got Kiri. I got my shields up. Grind's one. Nice! No
Oh
fucking
my
way.
fucking god.
He's pissed.
Holy shit.
Let's go.
Ryan diff.
Yeah,
What can I say? Oh, holy shit.
What would you do without me, Noodles?
Oh, bro, I just need to get off the fucking ride. Yo, I'm top 500, baby. Let's go. let's fucking go. I'm ranked
Top 500.
359, baby. Let's fucking go. That was my top 500 game. Yep, that's definitely going on YouTube, bro. That game was crazy.
Dude, there's no way we lose this game. Ball is so broken. Fuck.
Play of the game.
I can't do much more, bro, but, you know. Dude, Ball needs to get nerfed, fam. Dude, the only way they win is because Ball doesn't die. That's literally it. It's like Thanos, bro. Actual Thanos.